Hi, I'm John from Basjoo Gardening Services. I've just taken delivery of the STIHL HTA135. That's the HTA135 by STIHL. They are pole pruners designed to reach up to branches up in the tree from the ground with the chainsaw end to cut down the branches. So here it is. So it's still boxed. Obviously you can see it's quite a long machine, and this is before we even extend it. At the moment it absolutely weighs a ton. This is the professional range product. So professionals, we must have broad shoulders and strong arms, because I think I'm going to get the fright of my life. Okay, let's give it an open and see what's inside. Okay, here goes. Right, so what have we got? A small harness and some tools in there to actually undo the fittings to change the blade. We've got the STIHL HTA135 manual. Chain. I'm assuming that needs to go on the machine. It's not fitted already. Okay, yep, we've got the housing here, the chain bar. This is the, what have we got here? No idea. And then a plastic handle to construct as well. We've got the main bar, obviously that's telescopic, which, as I mentioned before, can extend, and then the housing for the main machine. This particular item I ordered without a battery, even though it's required a battery to work. I ordered it without the battery because I already have one of the STIHL AP300 batteries, and over time I'll probably invest in some more. Okay, so I'm going to take an opportunity now to assemble the machine, and then show a few clips of me using the machine. In the description below you'll find a quick link to a STIHL website, a STIHL video that I've already found on YouTube about how to assemble the machine, but stay tuned to see in action. Okay, so several hours later I've self-assembled the pole pruner. Still sort this out. This is a premium product. It's not a trip to IKEA for the bargain basement. You're one of the market leaders. I think it's outrageous for a premium professional product that we have to assemble ourselves at home, but there we go. Okay, so I've both read the manual and also relied on the STIHL instruction video on YouTube. So we've got it assembled. On the STIHL YouTube video, it mentions about the handle. See if I can. The bit that the strap attaches to can adjust, so depending on whether the telescopic pole is fully extended or not defines where your carry handle, your strap should be positioned. So as I said, refer to that video. For convenience, I've marked my own one in two places just with some electricity tape, so when the pruner is in its shortest length, obviously the holder goes closer to the operator, and when the telescopic handle is fully extended, then the strap is further away, so I've just indicated with 2 bits of electricity tape to help me see that. Okay, well, let's see it in action. I've got the AP200 300 AP300 battery now inserted, and we're gonna give it a whirl. So we're gonna give it a first try. At the moment, the pole pruner is in its shortest size, and we're just going to find some light branches that it should make easy work of. Okay, so now trying on some logs already over here. Okay, so now I've extended the telescopic pole out, so I'm going to adjust where my strap is further out to support me, and we're going to try and get something a little bit bigger on the apple tree there for you to see at home. Okay, so that was the STIHL HTA135, the professional range of pole pruner. As you can see, I've just been cutting through the apple tree. I mean, that's probably a good few inches, a couple of inches there, no problem going through it. As I mentioned before, it's a nice bit of kit. It's a bit heavy, but it comes with the telescopic pole there, which makes it really convenient for staying on the ground, keeping safer, and being able to work in trees above you. As I mentioned before, the feedback really is STIHL. I would really expect a product at this price point that you don't have to assemble it at home, that it's done before it gets to retail. It's a bit like owning an iPhone, buying an iPhone, the iPhone 10 for example, when they increase the price of them, and then all of a sudden having to assemble the phone when it gets home, all the chips and all the wiring in the screen. Okay, that's the HTA135 from STIHL. Thanks.